Hey everyone! Today I want to show you one way you can fix loose rubber zoom and focus rings on pretty much any lens. This method isn't perfect, but if you don't want to buy a new ring or do something drastic and irreversible, this might work for you. Basically, you use no residue tape to increase the size of the lens barrel until the ring fits snugly again. I would avoid using something like duct tape, as it will leave adhesive on your lens barrel. Gaffer's tape is probably the best. Doing this could make your lens less water resistant, so bear that in mind. Pull out a good length of tape, and then cut it the long way to the appropriate width. I would recommend wrapping the tape thicker in the middle. This will make the ring curve back in at the edges for a more natural look. Make sure to keep the tape tight as you apply it to avoid any bumps. Periodically try putting the rings back on to see if they've become snug. It will probably take quite a few rounds of tape to make the rings as stable as they were when the lens was new. I used over 20 rounds of really narrow tape to get my focus ring to stabilize. In the end, the result might look a bit different, but it definitely gets the job done. They sell off-brand replacement rings, but they all appear to be designed to match the look of Canon lenses, so if you like the design of your lens's stock rings, this approach may be your only option short of sending the lens back to the manufacturer. If you have any thoughts on this approach, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like. Thanks for watching.